right, let me show you guys on how to pay for your subscription on Elirox. So once you first log in, try to log in your account as a first beginner. Once you just register, log in your account on Chrome or your browser so you can see how you are going to pay. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can just I've already show you how you can connect the app together with your broker. Just go and watch that video. This is just based on how you can choose a plan. All right, then you start using the AI to trade for you. So let me just go through the point. If you want to do that, you can come to choose your plan. Just this one is just a demonstration on how you can make the payments, how you can subscribe for Elirox AI. So let me just click on choose a plan. So when you see something like this, I can say 1 month for free. You have to all this one. They will not allow you to use even grid bots, and grid bot is the one that is performing well. So they will not allow you to use grid bots. All right. So you can only use so I don't recommend this one. If you want to get better results, all right, you can either go for this one, grid bot, which is $39, or you can easily come. The one that is best among them is the one of $100. All right, which is very, very good. That is the one I recommend all to my people. So you can get 10 active trading accounts, then 25 active bots. Right, then we have 20x Elirox agents. Then you can click on create a grid bot. Then you connect to your broker. This one is the one of the best package you can subscribe, which is around $100. So you now click on this upgrade right now. So when you click on upgrade, you have to just wait for it to load up. Before you can see, you have to just make sure to fill all the necessary details. Then you click on this subscribe. I may not show you all this area, all right, because of the security reason. So just make sure to fill all the process, right? Then you click on subscribe. Then you can just use Gray. Let me show you the app you can use online. Gray. You don't have the account, I will leave the account under this video description, so you can just use that Gray to make your payments. So you can easily use this particular website to get a card, all right, that you can use to make your any online payments. All right, so it's one of the you can get a free dollar card there for you to make online. Just register. I'll put the link under this video description. Then you can easily just register with your account easily. So this is just based on how you can just make your payment with Elirox AI. It's very just download the app. When you the link is down below this video. Just go and do that, download the app and everything, then you are good to go. All right, so that's how you can just make your payments. Make sure you use Gray as your virtual online card for you to make the payment. It's that simple.